You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when
the first ingredient we're going to use is rosemary. Rosemary is known for its stimulating properties that can encourage hair growth. We need 2 spoons of rosemary. The next ingredient is bay leaves. Bay leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair. I am going to use 8 bay leaves. The next ingredient I'm going to use is olive oil. Olive oil is not only a great carrier for our ingredients, but also provides nourishment and moisture to the hair. Next, I'm going to pour it in the blender and blend everything up. Here is the blended ingredients. For this oil, we're going to be using the double boiler method. And heat up the water and sit the mixture in the hot water and let it cook for about 40 minutes. To add a soothing aroma and additional benefit, I'm going to include some lavender buds. Lavender promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and can also help improve scalp health. The next thing I'm going to do now is to pour the oil into a storage bottle. And here is the final product. To use this oil, simply massage a small amount into your scalp and your hair, focusing on the roots. Leave it on and don't wash it out.